Using Zoom. Lesson 3. Adding guests. This video was produced in July and August of 2020. Within that short time, Google made small changes in the way it looks and works. This happens all the time with technology. By the time you use these videos, more may have changed. If you get stuck because something in Google no longer matches the videos, ask your coach, a family member, or a trusted friend to help you. We are going to learn how to add guests to a Zoom meeting. Sign into your Google account. Open Google Calendar. Find the event you used in the last lesson. The event was on September 30 at 2 p.m. Click on the event. Click on the picture of a pencil in the top right. This will let you change the event. In the Guests section, you can add guests. You can also control what they can do before the Zoom meeting. Click in the Add Guest field. A list of people's email addresses might pop up. These are the people you have emailed in the past. This makes it easier to add guests quickly. Start typing the email address of the first person you want to invite. As you type, their email address might appear at the top of the list. Select the person's email address when you see it. To add another guest, click on Add Guest again and type another name. Start typing their email address. You might invite a person you never emailed before. You will have to type their whole email address. Add as many guests as you want. Now you can decide what your guests will be able to do before the meeting. This is called guest permissions. You might want to let your guests change meeting details, like time and place. You would check Modify. This is unusual. You want to stay in control of the meeting details. Make sure Modify is not checked. You might want to let guests invite other people to the meeting. If you do, check Invite Others. You might want to let guests know who else will be at the meeting. This is called a guest list. If you want them to know who else will be at the meeting, check See Guest List. When you are done, be sure to click Save. A window will pop up. It will ask you if you want to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests. Click Send. The people you invited will get an email. It will have the link to the meeting. Financial support for the statewide Community Supports Peer Support Services project is provided by the Texas Council for Developmental Disabilities, with federal funds made available by the United States Department of Health and Human Services, Administration on Developmental Disabilities.